Hey kids, welcome to Sam's Toolbox. Today, we're going to talk about this special tool called a Drawknife. Drawknives are a really dangerous tool, so we always keep them inside this special case. Now, a drawknife has a special curved blade and two handles. One handle goes in each hand, so we can scrape the blade against the wood. The blade of a drawknife is pretty big, but this is just a small drawknife. Sometimes they can be 2 or 3 times this big. Drawknives are usually used to strip layers of wood away from trees or from boards. Drawknife blades do a lot of hard work, so we always sharpen them on a special sharpening stone at the end of the day. To use the drawknife, the first thing we need to do is go cut down a tree. To cut down the tree, I'm using a sawzall. Then we turn the tree into a log by cutting off all the branches one by one. Once we have a log, we are ready to use the drawknife. So we pick up the log and take it home so we can use our special tool. The drawknife works by pulling the blade back towards us. As we pull the blade back, it scrapes bark off the log and makes awesome patterns in the log. It's nice to do this so that the log, which came from the tree, can now become wood. And then we can build something with it. Using the drawknife like this is called scraping or shaving the bark. So we just keep scraping bark off of the log until we get the right amount of scraped wood. As we scrape more and more bark off, it becomes easier for the drawknife to scrape more off because the wood gets smoother and softer. Now the drawknife has done its job and we can use some other tools. Now that the drawknife has scraped off all the bark we want, we use a toolbox saw to cut the piece of wood that we just made so we can build with it. Now I really want to build a new cup, so I think it's a good idea to bring it home and make a special cup from this log. Let's bring it down to the workshop. We can cut the ends perfectly flat. Drill a hole for the cup so water can go inside. Smooth the outside so it feels good in our hands. And wipe it with oil to protect it and so it looks nice and shiny. Thanks to the drawknife, I can have a glass of water out of my new cup. Thanks for visiting Sam's Toolbox. I hope to see you again real soon. Remember, keep learning and keep building.